fundamental to everything we ever once believed in and held dear have been under attack. Freedom from fear, freedom from violence, freedom to live and let live, freedom from persecution, freedom from prejudice, freedom from bullies and braggarts and bullshitters. And those of us who still believe in the traditional British ideals of justice, generosity, tolerance, fairness, equality, standing up for the underdog. Well, for us it's about time we said